Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this VW remote key fob. The battery is situated behind this panel, so we need to remove it to gain access to the battery. So first thing we need to do is remove the emergency key fob blade out of the top of the fob. So we do that by sliding this catch over here, which releases the blade, like so. Now what we need to do is get a small screwdriver, similar to this one, and down the hole where the blade came from, we place the screwdriver and we just press upwards, like so, which releases the clips on the cover here, so we can remove the cover like so. And there is your key fob battery. So we just remove it from its housing, like so. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our new battery and we just pop it back into the housing, making sure that the writing on the battery is facing upwards like this, so we know it's in its correct location. And now it's time just to pop it back together. So we get the cover, make sure everything lines up, and we just click it in place. And now we get the blade and pop it back down its hole, like so. There you go, it's all done.